What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a blessed and awesome day. I'm Fred Martinez, and you're listening to What the Fred Podcast, where we talk about the 4 traits to become unstoppable. That's focus, resilience, energetic, and driven. Today, I'm doing a continuation of a book written by Don Miguel Ruiz Jr., Living a Life of Awareness. Today's topic we're going to be talking about is choosing happiness for today. You probably heard the saying, life is about the journey, not the destination. Yet many of us are waiting for some goal to be reached, some status to be obtained before we can begin enjoying our lives. We say things to ourselves like, I will be happy when I get this job, accumulate this amount of money, have this relationship. There is nothing wrong with wanting to obtain or achieve certain things, but it makes our happiness conditional on reaching certain destination points in our lives. We become a series of goals to obtain, with each one failing to deliver the promise of happiness we envisioned. Living this way means missing out on the beauty of the journey, the one that is happening right now. Happiness can only be found in the present moment, not in some imaginary place in the future. And this is how we can practice choosing happiness for today. With awareness, notice that when you are attached to an idea of happiness in the future, when this happens, say to yourself, I won't wait for happiness. I choose to be happy right now. When I think about this, because I could definitely have done this plenty of times where thinking like, I need these things in order for me to, not to say be happy, but meaning that I need these things in order for me to go do this. It's like taking a course. Well, I need to have these courses in order for me to know what I'm talking about. Rather than just going through that journey and learning how to do it, making the mistakes, falling down, getting back up, wiping the dirt off of your knees. Because I've learned you have to learn by doing. Because if you just focus so many times on just being in this analysis paralysis stage in your life, you're never really truly living your life. I know as an engineer, you would go ahead and let's have a meeting about a meeting so we can make sure that our design is perfect. And rather than let's just go ahead and just start building it. Let's start trying to achieve something. Let's start testing it. Does this work? This doesn't work. Let's go ahead and refine that. And keep on refining it until we figure out a way. And that's the one thing you look at as being methodical on your approach. Of course, you look at Thomas Edison and what he did. He was in that moment. He basically went through one iteration after another iteration after another iteration in order to develop the filament of the light bulb. He was in that present moment. It wasn't saying he needed to achieve this in order for him to be happy. He was being happy already at what he was doing. So that's why I look at life as be happy in wherever you are, whatever you're doing, and appreciate that. Have an attitude of gratitude, my friends. I want to leave you with that, and you guys have a blessed and you guys have an awesome day. Be about it instead of talking about it, and namaste.